Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I used in this video will be listed down below. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post a video. So first, I just added some eyeshadow shield, so when I go to add on my eyeshadow, I can have a nice crispy line. Now I'm going in with some black eyeshadow the same way that I would do an eyeliner, and then I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this red and kind of like doing a visible cut crease. And I'm just going to take this red and go all the way from the front all the way to the back, making sure that I like the placement. That's why I went very lightly before building it up. And with this, I want to make sure this is above my natural cut crease. Once I'm satisfied with the coverage, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend out the edges of that before going in with a little bit of that red to apply to help blend it out even more. To clean up the area underneath, I'm going to do a cut crease, and I'm going to use the guide method for this, and I'm going to go all the way across my whole entire lid. I did bring that concealer down to that black as well, but not too much. Now that that's straight, I'm going to go in with this accent brush and I'm going to help dry that product down. Now I'm going in with this green shade and I'm just tapping that right on top of that black and blending it up a little bit, but I'm not going all the way up to the red. I want a little bit of that space. And now I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to go ahead and blend it a little bit so that it's more even. And I'm going to go back in with that black shade just so that black can blend in with that green. And now I'm going to blend both of those shades together so I don't have any harsh lines. And you can stop right there and add your regular eyeliner if you want, but I decided to add some glitter to this look. And first I was using the glitter from the palette, but it didn't show through like I wanted to, so I went ahead and grabbed some of my glitter glue and applied a different kind of glitter. And I just want that glitter to be applied in the middle. At the last minute, I decided to use this white eyeliner and apply that right under that red. This helped this look pop. And I really didn't have to, but now I'm going in with some black eyeliner just to help clean up that black eyeshadow a little bit. I'm going to apply some lashes, and first I'm going in with my glue, applying it to the strip lash. And while that's drying down a little bit, I am going to add a little bit to my lash line, getting as close as I possibly can without making a mess. And once I think it's dry, I'm just placing that lash directly on, placing the middle portion on there first before lining up the edges. And this helps a lot to get that lash in the right spot each time. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I'm actually going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. And everything that I use in this video will be listed down below, so feel free to check that out. And once again, happy holiday.